Oh my god, girl, that's infamous Adrian.
No parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber.
Mickey's, cause I'ma do a volcano. I've been looking at people do volcanoes, and I'm like, how do you do a homemade volcano? And I saw people like pouring vinegar and baking soda together, and I'm like, I can do that. So, like, comment, subscribe. We finna do this. We doing it. Yep, we doing it. Alright, y'all. So I'm finna go get this stuff. I'll be back. Nah, y'all coming with me. Come on. What's up? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pick my feet up. Y'all, that was me sliding my feet. Okay, y'all. I'm in the store. Yes, I'm in the store in my pajamas, because that's what I be doing. Yeah. We finna do a volcano, you hear me? But I gotta give me some bowls, too. I gotta get me some bowls, too, because I gotta eat my ravioli for later. So, yeah, come on. Let's see if they got vinegar. Y'all, what if they don't got no vinegar, bro? I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna burn a whole building down if they don't got no vinegar. Y'all wanna see with me? What a vinegar be at? What a vinegar be at? Y'all ain't need help from me, bro. Get out of my face. Y'all just wanna look at me, bro. That's all y'all wanna do. All y'all wanna do. Oh, let me get out of here. Y'all, what kind of vinegar anyway? Like normal vinegar, cider vinegar, apple cider. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Y'all know how people be looking at you when you in the store recording. They be like, what is she doing? She thinks she a YouTuber or saying, yeah, we got it. Vinegar. Okay, now we need the baking soda. And you know, we can do stuff like this because I know y'all be like watching my videos all the way through, liking, and subscribing to the channel. So we can do stuff like that. And don't be looking at my double chin down there, cause y'all really staring. Don't be looking at my double chin. Yeah, we got to make it so. But it's more stuff to carry. So, what? How you make a volcano? Like, what you put in it? We just gonna do it, y'all. I'm over excited. Look at this angle, bro. Oh, this is all I wanted from here for real. I just thought about I wanted to make a volcano, so we just really came to make up. We gonna pay for this, I bet. Thank you. Ooh, okay. Put this in my bag. And I might not even wait till we get in the house to activate this volcano, y'all. Ever since I was little, I never got to experience no making a volcano or nothing like that. So if y'all haven't either, we about to experience it together. But it's not like, oh, he ain't hear me recording with all that noise. But yeah, y'all, nah, y'all can't see me walk because I walk bow-legged. It look like I be twisting. I'm just bow-legged. You ain't hear me recording with that live lawnmower? Man, they be so disrespectful, bro. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Why y'all looking at me down? See, y'all just want to get the bad angle. Y'all just want to see my double chins. That's what it is. That's what it is. Y'all look at that car. It right there. Bumblebee. Y'all, I am not playing, y'all. Y'all need to give me the 2,000. Like, my subscribers keep going up, going down, side to side, up and around the town, the brown. Like, come on, y'all, help me out. Like, I know y'all want to get me to 2,000 subscribers. Y'all just shy right now. It's alright. Y'all gonna come out that shell. Yeah, y'all walking with me all the way back to the house. Cause right when we get to the house, we finna see if this actually works, y'all. If it don't work, I'ma be upset. Oh, my fault, y'all. I look black. But yeah, y'all, we finna. Ooh, I almost fell. Y'all, we finna. I don't know how much baking soda to put in there. I'ma put the baking soda in the vinegar. Y'all, just like a lab experiment. I be doing everything on this channel, so come on, y'all. We gotta watch the road. Y'all watch the road if y'all be crossing the road. You feel me? Even if you ain't watching the road, let the road watch you. You feel me? All right. Y'all need to tell me my hair's looking messed up. It's like a spider right now. It's all right. Y'all, baby, I'm trying to hold on to this wallet close and crunchy because a little dollar might slip out. I don't play about no dollar. Some people wipe their booty with a dollar, but I clean it off. Shoot, I need that money, baby. I'm finna be bathing in water, bathing with money and like, yeah, to me. Shoot. We humble over here, baby. I need my change. I ain't finna give you no $100, baby. Give my change. I need that change, baby. Maybe when I get up there, I give you like $1 change. But I'm never giving nobody like $40 change. Or like I'm never going to a restaurant and tipping them 50 or 10. What you did for me? What you did for me to be tipping you $40 and $50? Like, Did you give me a kidney? Like, yeah. You must did something to deserve that $50. I'm not gonna do that just to be liked. You feel me? Just to feel like I'm something. No, ma'am. Yes, y'all finna listen to me ramble until I get home. Y'all gonna like it. Okay? Please like it, okay? I'm not saying y'all gonna like it, but if y'all wanna like it, if you don't, just oh no. Just be nice. But y'all never noticed this was a penny, bro. That's a penny. Look at that penny. I'm just playing. Y'all, my thoughts get the best of me sometimes. Y'all gonna notice that. Y'all, I'm gonna come here to get my nails did. I'm gonna record it. Get my nails did. I will give y'all flour, but I don't want them to shoot me. Bro, my dog be everywhere, baby. What is Chase doing? Baby, the neighbors be, baby. The neighbors be talking to everybody. Let me sit over here so they won't talk to me. Let me get my phone, like I'm on the phone. Girl, what? What, girl? Oh, my Lord, girl. You is crazy. Y'all talk back to me. Y'all talk back to me so they can think I'm on the phone. What? Girl, what you... Ooh. Girl, what? He did what? Girl, you is fanting. Girl, you is fanting. Come on, keep talking. Okay. They playing with their kids. They cheering. Right now. Come on, y'all. I watch the road while I'm playing. Okay. And they looking right at me. They wondering who I'm on the phone with. Y'all, we did it. Come on. We gotta hurry up and do this volcano though. I don't know if it's gonna be explosive or what. But I told y'all right when I get home and we home, we finna do this volcano. So I hope y'all, excuse me. I'm hoping y'all ready. I'm hoping y'all ready. If y'all not ready, I don't know what to tell you. Get ready. Stop running though. Stop, baby. What's wrong with you? Okay, y'all. What's wrong with you? Okay, y'all. What we say? We got the vinegar. The vinegar. We got all natural Heinz vinegar. Let me see how this smells. Okay, and then we got. Oh, my phone probably gonna get. Oh, what are you doing? My money. You wanna take my money, nigga? You trying to bite my money? All right. Yeah. Okay, we finna do it. We about to do it. It's gonna be messy. I'm talking to this. That cat itchy. I saw it on TikTok. You about to what? No, the weather outside. Okay, guys, so we finna do this. Volcano. I thought she was leaving. Who? Probably them people over there. Probably that cat. Ew. It better be fine. I think it's that cat. Move over, get by my vinegar. It better be good too, I'm be bad. Y'all see it.
I'll hear y'all outside.
Oh!
Can you touch it?
Go. Oh!
Can you touch it?
Go. Oh, Lord.
The fuck is that?
Because do not do that slow.
Like what?
Throw that in.
Just baby so.
Stop! I told you not to do that slow.
Careful to burn. Careful to burn. Like this. So wasteful. You saw he as a color complain. Ah, my finger! What do you like now? Play. It's like crazy. I gotta get this mess up. It's snowing. Y'all, that was actually so cool. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Give me the 2,000 subscribers, y'all. And that was just fun, so holla at you. Okay, so since the video over, I am finna collect all my baking soda and vinegar and send it right back to the store. So yeah, let me sweep this right back up. Y'all see me? Yes, I'm right here talking to y'all. So I am finna to sweep all this back up. Who y'all thought this was? Y'all thought this video was over? No. So we finna sweep this right back up. Hold on. Y'all think I'm playing. We finna put all this back and take this right back to the store. Come on. Sweeping all this right back up. Finna get right back in my vinegar can. Cup, bottle, whatever. It's finna go right back. Y'all see? Finna get right back, get a refund. I already got a receipt on deck. If you made it this far into the video, yeah, y'all already know I'm finna get my refund. So, hey. Oh, okay, let me stop. Okay, something right there. Y'all, we just finna get all this up off this concrete because it's finna go right back in that baking soda bottle. I can't talk. But, yeah, we finna pick this up. We finna pick this up, put it right back in the bottle. You see? Put it right back. Because we finna get this money to work. We finna get our money back. Tell them it ain't work. Because what was that little explosion? I thought it was going to be a big explosion. Put that joint right back in the bottle. We finna take it back. Bike. Yeah, sit it right there. That little explosion. What y'all thought this was? We finna get our money back. Hold on. Hold on. Run backwards. Come back. Let's get it. Come on. Yeah, I'm getting my bottle ready because we finna put this right back. Yeah, put it back. Because that little explosion. We finna put it back. Put everything back. Because what explosion was this? I thought it was going to be a big explosion in the sky. Give me that jump back. Everything back. I'm mad. That little, get it back. Put it back. Nah, I think it's some more. Every little bit. All right, y'all, subscribe. We out.
Her name is infamous.